Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a fountain in Minecraft. So first of all what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick stairs and I'm going to construct my fountain this way. So I'm going to make it 7 by 7 blocks. So let's do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now in the mid, what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna get some blocks and I'm gonna place them just like this. Next, I'm gonna get some cobblestone wall. I'm gonna place it 2 times, then a glowstone on top. Next, I'm gonna take some cobblestone wall from this and extend it all the way to the side. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these stone slabs on this just like this way. Remember, it's an important part and you shouldn't skip this or else your fountain will not go well. Next, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna place another cobblestone wall on top of this just like this. So this is how our structure looks like right now. Next, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add the water bucket on top of it like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna break these slabs just like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna add some lanterns below it, or you can just decorate it however you want. And similarly, I'm gonna break this slab too. I'm gonna add a lantern on top of it just like this. You can see there is some water level not correct here, so I'm gonna add more water here. As you can see, now it has come to look like a perfect fountain. So let's see how it looks at night. This is how it looks like at night. You can decorate it however you guys want. So this was pretty much a small tutorial on how to make a fountain. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.